Start with the name of Allah, who is most merciful and kind. This is me, Muzam Ahmad Junajo, student of BBA 2017 at St. University of Campus, Lanka. I am here for the subject of corporate finance. Corporate finance is the subject given by Ma'am Sargupta Sanam Sheikh, visiting faculty at St. University Campus, Lanka. Corporate finance. Corporate finance contents. Number one, corporate finance. Number second, accounting profit. Number three, economic profit. And number last, form of business. Form of businesses. These are the contents we will discuss. So, first topic, number topic is corporate finance. Corporate finance means corporate finance is the study of financial decision making in the organization. Corporate finance means financial decision making in the organization. Corporate finance means financial decision making in the organization. Or we can say that the corporate finance is the branch of economics concerned with how business rise, how business rise and spend their money. Corporate finance means financial decision making in the organization and how business rise and spend their money. So, corporate finance is the activity of providing money to corporation for investment. Financial management, also called corporate finance. Financial management. Financial management, also called corporate finance. There are two categories of corporate finance. Two categories of corporate finance: one financial market and investment. Financial market, number one, and second is investment. These are two categories of corporate finance. So, financial market are composed the money market and capital market. Financial market is composed two types. Financial market composed two types, which are money market and capital market. capital market. Money market. Money market doesn't finance the short-term investment. Money market means a short-term investment, usually less than 1 year, and capital markets finance long-term investment, maturity over 1 year, maturity at over 1 year, above or 1 year. So number second categories of corporate finance investment. Investing is putting money to work to start or expand a project, or to purchase an assets or interest. Means investment means to putting money to work, to start work. Second number topic is accounting profit. Accounting profit. Accounting profit is the reward to the owners of a firm for taking risk. Accounting profit means reward for owner taking risk. Accounting profit means reward for owner taking risk. Engaging in enterprise, it is the difference between revenue and cost. Revenue and cost. The total profit. Here the solution of calculation of accounting profit. How we calculate accounting profit means profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. Total revenue minus total cost. Means total revenue, which we get profit, which we sell the product and get revenue, minus total cost, which we cost in the business or organization. This is the formula for the accounting profit. Total revenue means income brought in the firm from selling its products. Total revenue, how we calculate total revenue? Price multiplied by quantity. Total revenue, how we calculate? Total revenue. Price multiplied by total quantity. Quantity which we sold. Accounting profit, actually accounting profit earned by the company during a particular financial during a particular financial year is known as a accounting profit. The profit is obtained by deducting the total explicit cost from the total revenue. Here the explicit cost means the direct cost spent on account of running a business. Example rent of land and building, the wage of laborers, salary of employees. Accounting profit, we measure total revenue minus explicit cost. is equal to total revenue minus explicit cost. Explicit cost. Accounting profit is equal to total revenue minus explicit. Explicit cost means direct cost spent on account of running a business. Example: rent on rent, and the waste of labors. And third topic is economic profit. Economic profit. Economic profit, also referred as extra profit or supernormal profit. It is the difference between total revenue earned by the company and total cost ex, explicit as well as implicit. Economic profit is similar to accounting profit, and that is deducting explicit cost from revenue. Economic profit also uses implicit cost, which are typically the cost of a company resources. Here the formula of economic profit. Economic profit is equal total revenue minus explicit cost minus implicit cost. Economic profit is equal to total revenue minus explicit cost minus implicit cost. Explicit cost means the annual direct payment, wage paid to the workers, rent paid to the landowner, and material cost paid to the supplier are all example of explicit cost. And now implicit cost means in context implicit cost are the opportunity cost of factors of product data producer already owns. Number 4, forms of business. Forms of business organization: sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation. Number 1, sole proprietorship, partnership, and third is corporation. These are the forms of business organization. Number 1, forms of business: sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship is a business owned and operated by one individual. Or we can say that management of business owned or controlled by one individual, the form of business. means sole proprietorship means business controlled by individual or management by individual or we can say that operated by one operated by individual. The advantage of sole proprietorship. Advantage. Advantage number one. Easy to start. Easy to start. Makes one individual can easily start a business. Number second, no profit sharing. Second, no profit sharing. And number third is earning decision making, easy decision making. Easy decision making. And number fourth is easy to wind up. Easy to wind up. These are the advantage of sole proprietor. Number one, easy to start. Number two, no profit sharing. Number three, easy to decision making. And number four is easy to wind up. These are the advantage. These are some advantage of sole proprietorship. Second number topic is partnership. Partnership. Partnership means in one business, two or more people operate one business is called partnership. Partnership means two or more people. Two or more people together operate business. So partnership advantage. Partnership advantage is easy to start. Number one. Easy to start. And number two, risk sharing. Risk sharing. And number third, third is longer resources. And number fourth is no loss in the absence. No loss in the absence. These are the advantage. These are some advantage of partnership. Easy to. Third form of business is corporate. Third form of business is corporation. Corporation. Corporation is a legal entity created by the state, and it is separated and distinct from its owner and managers. Means it is a legal entity. Legal entity. Legal entity of legal entity created by state. By state. These are the form